Enology 105 is the advanced sensory evaluation of wines. It really helps students to have some knowledge about how to run sensory evaluation and also how to evaluate the different attributes during the wine production and also appreciation. In this lab, students are measuring the different attributes, including the basic taste like sweetness, sourness, bitterness, and also the most important mouthfeel, including astringency, which is a dry feeling during wine evaluation. And they will learn deeply about the different attributes, so it's really important to help them set a standard, like how to define a wine is a good wine, is a good quality.
Making and transforming that grape into that wine, it's a beautiful thing. It's an art to make that. We are expected to have that ability to distinguish those aromas and tastes, but it is a acquired skill.
Once they start working in the winery, they have to be responsible to make some decision. Like if the off flavors start to be happen, they have to know the corresponding knowledge to deal with that one. Or if they decide to release a new version of the wine, they have to try with a small group of people to make sure the samples will be popular and will have make benefits for the winery. So they have to learn how to set up the experiment, how to collect the data.
If it's sour, if it's better, if we catch those tastes in time, we're able to fix that because we have that education, that chemistry, that biochemistry, that fermentation science. If we don't know how to fix that, it goes to spludge, it goes to vinegar, it goes bad. Having this educational background, it does help us develop a more advanced palate, and that's what helps us as a winemaker for the future.